Welcome to Jhuxtello iTech, your go-to channel for the latest updates in education and technology. Today, we're diving into a topic that's buzzing in the education sector, the Ghana Ed loading. The anticipation is real, isn't it? The concern on everyone's mind is palpable, especially among competent and motivated graduates eager to contribute to Ghana's education system. The inclusion of diploma holders is still up in the air, but the excitement is building as we await GES's formal announcement and the subsequent availability of the application module. Education Services plan to recruit 24,000 graduate teachers in 2024. But the big question on everyone's mind is, will diploma holders be recruited as well? Stick around as we explore the details. Hey there, Jhuxtello iTech fam! It's always great to have you here. Before we jump into today's topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things education and technology. In 2024, the Ghana Education Service, also known as GES, is gearing up to bolster its teaching force with the recruitment of a whopping 24,000 graduate teachers. This information comes from a blog post by Kofi Asari of EDU Watch, detailing the crucial role these teachers will play in shaping the minds of Ghanaian children in both basic and secondary schools. Now, here's the twist. While the demand for graduate teachers is clear, there's uncertainty looming over the fate of diploma holders. Many qualified teachers with diplomas and degrees are eagerly awaiting the opening of the recruitment portal. The burning question is whether GES will extend its arms to embrace diploma-holding teachers in this recruitment cycle. But hold on, folks. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. The Ghana Education Service's official position is paramount in shedding light on this matter. Until GES makes an official announcement disclosing the specific qualifications for candidates, any information circulating about teacher recruitment, including the fate of diploma holders, remains speculative. In the meantime, for all you aspiring teachers out there, make sure to check out the GES recruiting application guidance for 2024-25. While speculations are in the air, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared for any updates. And now, the million-dollar question. When will the recruitment portal open? Though there's no official statement yet, our sources suggest that GES might unveil the graduate recruitment module on its official portal in February or early March 2024. So, teachers, get those documents ready and stay vigilant for updates and a press release that signals the portal's opening. That's a wrap for today's update on GES's plan to recruit 24,000 graduate teachers in 2024. The fate of diploma holders hangs in the balance, but we'll be here to keep you posted on any developments. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow educators, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful updates. Until next time, this is Jhuxtello iTech, signing off.